All Nigerian girls are poor and broke. And before you rush to judgment, let me tell you why I believe this. I know this from first-hand experience. I have seen it in my own eyes. How many Nigerian girls constantly find themselves in financial struggles, no matter how much they pretend otherwise. It is not because they are lazy. It is not because they don't want to succeed, but because the system is designed in such a way that it keeps them struggling. From the moment they are born, many Nigerian girls are taught that their worth is tied to how many they can attract from a man. It is embedded in our culture. Girls grow up seeing the value of a woman measured by the material things she has. And so they place their value in finding someone who can take care of them financially. But this is not just about finding a rich husband. It is a way the society pushes them into positions where they have no other choice but to depend on someone else. Let me just be clear here. I am not blaming them. I have been around enough to see how difficult life can be for young women in Nigeria. Juggling school, work, family responsibilities, and the constant pressure to appear like they've got it all together. They hustle, they try, they work hard, but the reality is that the opportunities are limited. And in a society where financial independence is hard to come by, many find themselves trapped in a circle of I need help rather than I can do it myself. Yes, the truth is many Nigerian girls are broke, but it is not their fault. It is a result of a system that keeps pushing them into this corner, making them feel that their worth comes from what others can give them. And until things change, until the system gives more women opportunities to truly stand on their own, this cycle will continue. Let us stop pretending. It is time to be real about the struggles women face in this country.